Today I want to show you this adorable boot box card filled with cheerful sunflowers. This card folds flat to fit in an envelope. This would be a fun card to send to say thank you or I'm thinking of you. To assemble this card, glue all of the pieces onto each layer. There are guides on many of the pieces to help you know exactly where to glue each piece. For the front layer, glue the boot pieces together first. Add the leaves and a large flower matching the edges. Glue on a small flower so that the petals are offset with the larger flower petals. Glue on the center of the flower. Glue the back layer boot pieces together. This boot should be facing the opposite direction from the first boot. For each inside layer, glue the stem to the insert, matching the guide that sticks up and the bottom of the insert to the stem. Match the large flower up with the leaves and glue. Offset the petals and glue on the small flowers. Glue on the flower center. Repeat these steps for the other inside layer. To make the box, first check that these two pieces are facing the correct way. Stack the two pieces and the front boot together. The bottoms should all match. Fold each score line backwards on the long piece. This will form the front and the sides of the box. To complete the box, I like to glue the tabs onto the outside of the smaller box piece because they will be covered up with the back boot. The box should be able to fold flat to the left and the right. Bend the tabs of the inside layers forward. Find the inside layer with a sunflower that curves to the right. Place glue on the back of the tabs. Place it inside the box, matching the edge of the tabs to the front corners of the box. Place glue on the back of the tabs of the other inside layer and place it inside the box, matching the edges of the tabs to the back of the first layer. Fold the box back and forth to make sure the card will fold flat. Align and glue the front boot to the box. Flip the box card over and glue the back boot to the box. This is the completed sunflower boot box card. It folds flat and fits in a standard A2 envelope to send to someone special.